If you want to make some serious money with the Legendary Marketing Affiliate Program, then you want to watch this entire video, because I'm going to show you how to give away something for free. Because when you give something out and away for free, this is how you're going to make high ticket commissions with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now, throughout this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some serious money with Legendary Marketer. Now, if you've ever heard of the following people, they are literally crushing it with Legendary Marketer, and I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. But if you've ever heard of Camilla Markson, Rebecca Duncan, Caroline Haggy, Emily Walcott, and Alex Ford. Now, what do all these people have in common? They are making thousands of dollars with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now, there's one major thing that these guys are doing to make serious money with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. And I'm going to show you exactly what they're doing, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can replicate this and make it even better. Now, if you've never heard of me, my name is Dad Learns Money. I'm an introvert who went from homeless to homeowner with high ticket affiliate marketing. And I've done multiple 6 and 7 figures with my own online business, as well as promoting other multiple affiliate products and services. Now, my goal for this channel is to help you build an infinite passive income business and achieve financial and time freedom, especially if you hate your job exactly like I did. Now, before I show you how to make money with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, I first want to explain what Legendary Marketer is and what is all the big hype around this program. Basically, how this works and what you need to understand is that Legendary Marketer has multiple different products and services and programs. So if you look at this pyramid graph, they have subscriptions and courses and masterminds and coaching. Basically, you would get 60% commissions for their subscriptions, 40% commissions for all their courses, and 30% commissions on their coaching. So when you send somebody to any one of these landing pages and they make a purchase, whether it be subscription or a course or the coaching, you're going to get commission. And this is what affiliate marketing is. You're simply referring people to other people's products, services, or programs. And if they make a purchase, you get the commission. Now, the cool thing is when they make a purchase, whether it be in affiliate marketing or general, or in this case, Legendary Marketer, they become Legendary Marketer's customer. So you won't have to deal with any shipping, any handling, any customer support, and you won't have to ship out any products. They take it all and handle all that on your behalf. All you have to do is just send traffic to your link, and if they make a purchase, you get the commissions. After that's done, that's it. Now, right now, people are literally making hundreds and thousands of dollars just promoting the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. But one of the first things they're doing when they get started is creating short form content. Let me show you. Now, here's an example of Camilla Markson. Let's go through her Instagram feed so I can show you what she's doing. Let's check out one of her videos. Basically, what she's doing, she's creating these very simple 5-second videos that anybody can do, even me or even yourself. Well, I want you to pay attention because these videos are super simple. As you can see, it's 5 to 7 seconds, and she just has text on screen and sitting down, and she's not even talking in this video. But what she's doing with this traffic, she's sending people to her affiliate link for Legendary Marketer. But when I say that she's sending people to the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program to make purchases so that she can get those commissions, she's not doing it directly. What she's doing is she's sending them to a landing page, and she's giving away something for free first. So her whole goal of creating these 5 to 7 videos is she's trying to get people from those videos from her Instagram page after watching her content to come to her profile and click on this link right up here. Now, Camilla is a beast in the affiliate marketing game, and she's super smart. What she's doing is building her email list, and how she's doing that is she's giving away something for free in exchange for that email address. So let me show you. You'll notice when someone clicks on this link right here, they're going to land on this page right here, and as you can see, she's trying to collect their name and their email address. Now, if you see this right here, if you look on her landing page, she's giving away a free ebook on her landing page in exchange for their email address. Now, when she collects these emails, they go into her database, and she's building up her email list inside of her email autoresponder. And this is her building up her own passive income business. But what you need to understand is that she's giving away a free book. She's not just saying, hey, go check out Legendary Marketer, make a purchase so I can get money. She's giving away something for free in exchange for their email address. Now, this free book isn't just a pile of junk. She's giving away something that these people want so they can see the value of why they should give away their email address. And in this case, she's saying, if you give me your email address, I'm going to show you how you can make 6 figures with a simple side hustle that you can do from home. And this is is what we call a lead magnet. Now, if you don't know what a lead magnet is, it's basically something that you're giving away for free in exchange for their email address. Now, your whole goal as an affiliate marketer, whether you be high ticket or low ticket, legendary marketer, or any other affiliate program, your absolute main objective is to build up your email list. Because the way that you're going to make money is not only just promoting multiple different affiliate programs and offers, but you're going to make your money for the long term. I have a sustainable long-term high ticket affiliate marketing business by building up your email list. That's exactly what I was able to do and still doing, and that's exactly how I've been able to never have to work again and never be broke again, using high ticket affiliate marketing and building up a large email list with it. So basically what she's doing, she's putting out content, 5-second short form video content on her IG page, and then she's funneling that traffic to her lead magnet, which is this landing page, connecting their name and email address in exchange for that lead magnet. And then after they opt in and click this button, they're going to go to another page learning about Legendary Marketer, where Legendary Marketer is going to do all the selling for her. Now, if this is making sense so far, I want you to comment the words lead magnet down in the YouTube comments. Now, I know what the next question you may have because I've been through it. Ronnie, Dad Learns Money, I don't have a killer lead magnet. I don't have a free ebook that I could give away. I don't know how to create one. And even if I started and learned, it's going to take me a ton of time to do so. And you're absolutely right. It takes a ton of time to create a lead magnet, even if it's something as simple as a free book. But I got great news and I got you. What I want to do, I want to show you how you can give away something far better than a free book or a free checklist or even a blueprint. What I want to do is show you how you can give away an entire free course and lead people to Legendary Marketer. Now that is where it's going to become super powerful, because if you can give away a better lead magnet, then that means that you're going to be able to build your email list so much faster. On top of that, you're also going to get people to know, like, and trust you. And once people trust you, then they're going to buy from you. Now here's an example of my personal lead magnet that I personally use to promote products like Legendary Marketer or any other affiliate program, so that I can build up a large email database by giving away something for free, in this case a free course, in exchange for their email address. What I'm doing, I'm basically doing what they're doing as well, but I'm giving away something even better than a book or a checklist, and in this case it's an entire free course. I don't believe there's any other way or any greater way that you can give away something for free that has more value than a free course. So basically what happens when the people land on my landing page to get the free course, they're going to say, yeah, I want this. It's totally free. I don't have anything to lose. They're going to click that button. It's going to ask them for their name and their email address and their phone number, but it's optional. But when they give me that information, they're giving it to me because they see the value in this course. So in order to get access to this free course, they're going to give me their email address. And when they click the button, they're going to get access to it in their email. Now, this course isn't just something I threw away. This course is truly valuable and has tons of information that can actually help them solve a problem, and in this case, getting started with affiliate marketing. This course is an entire walkthrough on how to get started and become successful with affiliate marketing. But check out this video right here where you can see what's on the inside. Hey, what's going on, everyone? While you're watching this, I wanted to tell you about my brand new free course I just launched, and I'm going to break it down for you for just a few seconds in 3, 2, 1. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course. And by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. You can join it and use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into it. Now, why is doing this so important? Because what I'm doing, I'm giving people something that's very valuable, that's helping them solve a problem and make money online. Now, if you are interested in getting access to this free course and cloning that course and selling it as your own, I want you to comment clone down in the comments. Now, I'm going to show you how to copy this entire course in a little bit of of this video, but here's what's so cool about this course. In this course, I'm able to promote multiple different products and programs, not just the Legendary Marketer. I'm able to promote tools and softwares all within this free course. So let me show you. If you go into one of the modules right here, you'll be able to see I'm able to promote programs and softwares like ClickFunnels, GetResponse and Aweber, System.io, Kartra, and TubeBuddy, and the list goes on and on. And the cool thing is I'm able to do this throughout the entire course. Now, why am I doing that? Well, in short, by me doing that, I'm able to give people more value. And once they see the value in this course, they're going to understand why they should purchase the other products and programs. And when you learn that, this is what's going to make more money for you. Now, what I've done, I've created an entire quest challenge that will allow you to copy this entire process with the course included and use it as your own. So basically, I'm going to give you everything you're seeing. You won't have to create it from scratch. Basically, this is a share funnel, and you're going to be able to use this in ClickFunnels or System.io, your choice. You're going to be able to get this entire course and other things as well, quickly download it and upload it to your ClickFunnels account or your System.io account all in one click and in a matter of seconds. So let me just show you how this works, because it's going to be super easy. And you learn all this inside the course and the challenge, okay? And I'm going to show you how to get access to it. But once you get access to it, you're going to get that share funnel link, and it automatically uploads into your System.io or your ClickFunnels, whichever software that you're using. And what you're going to be able to do, you're going to be able to change this picture right here to your own. And you're also going to be able to make any minor tweaks or changes that you want on any of these pages within the funnel. Now, also in the course, I'm walking you through how to do this step by step. Now, understand, once you complete this process, this is going to become your course, and you can give it away as your own lead magnet. You can give away the free course as your own lead magnet in exchange for email addresses so that you can build up your own email database. Now, once you do that, now you can promote and lead those people to other things like Legendary Marketer or any other affiliate program that you're promoting. Now, also keep in mind, people are going to be signing up to get this free course to do exactly what you're trying to do. So they're going to be following in your footsteps. So when they give you their email address, they're going to receive an email giving them access to this free course to where they can come in and duplicate it and copy white label it and sell it as their own as well. Now, understand, in this course, you're going to be able to put your own things inside of it. The same links that I have, you can put your own affiliate links from within this course. So when those people that you referred to this lead magnet that has now become yours, when they opt in and start doing the course, they make any purchases from within the course, you're going to get the commission. Let me make sure you understand this. So going back to this page that I showed you earlier, once you're inside the course and you're going through the process and you set this up inside the challenge that I'm going to give you in this video to give you access, you would change your affiliate links from mine. So this is my affiliate link for ClickFunnels, you would add yours. The same goes for GetResponse or Aweber, System.io, TubeBuddy, and any of the affiliate links in this course. So this is what I mean when I say you're going to be able to use this business as your own, because this is going to be your course. You can make any changes, anything that happens from the result of you referring people and they opt in from your free course killer lead magnet and they make any purchases, you're going to get all the commissions from this course. But what I want you to really understand is that building your email list is the most important thing that you can do in affiliate marketing. And this lead magnet, this free course that I want you to get access to, is going to enable you to do that. Now, the reason that a lot of affiliate marketers are able to be so successful is because they have a great killer lead magnet. What I don't want you to do is build an email list, but you have a very bad list of quality from your email subscribers. The only way that you can get high quality leads inside your email database is giving away a powerful killer lead magnet, and it's got to have tons of value. Now, I've been doing this same thing, and this is how I was able to build my email list to over 100,000 email subscribers. It's because what I was doing, I saw people giving out lead magnets, but I knew that I had to make mine way better so I can get more quality. And this is how I was able to build my empire and build up my email database, because I gave out more value that attracted more and more quality leads. Now, you learning how to do this, this is going to convert all of those leads into actual customers to where you can be successful financially with any affiliate product or program that you promote. And this is what I've done and what I'm doing and what has empowered me to leave my 9-to-5 job and never be broke again and achieve financial and time freedom. Now, if you're interested in copying my entire course and my entire funnels so that you can promote products like Legendary Marketer, ClickFunnels, System.io, or any affiliate product or program, then I want to invite you to take my 72-hour infinite passive income quest. In this challenge quest, I show you not only how to copy my course, but how you can copy my course and sell it as your own. That way you can build up your own email list, have your own killer lead magnet that will help you do that, as well as build your high-ticket affiliate marketing empire. Having your own course and selling it as your own is going to get people to know, like, and trust you, and you're going to get all the credit. You're going to be the authority figure, and most importantly, you're going to reap all the financial benefits of the commissions and the sales because it is going to be your product. So essentially how this whole process works, just like I show you how the big guys and girls are doing it, all you're going to be doing is creating content, long form or short form, and the short form can be super simple, just like I showed you. You don't even have to talk in the videos. You could just put text on the screen, and you're going to be doing that in order to get people to your landing page where you have your killer lead magnet, which is going to be your free course. And when they opt in to get that free course, now you can lead them to your other affiliate products, which could be Legendary Marketer or anything else that you're selling. And the reason all this is going to be happening is because you have a killer lead magnet. What's better than a free course? People are going to be stopping by to get access to your free course, and all the magic is going to happen from your content and from your emails. And like I said, you won't even have to create any of this stuff. I'm going to give you the entire template all done for you, the funnel and the course itself. All you have to do is add your own affiliate links and send the traffic to it with your content. Now, the 72-hour infinite passive income quest link is going to be down below in the YouTube description. If you want to get access to that, that's the only way. Taking the 72-hour infinite passive income quest is going to show you exactly how to set this all up. But more importantly, it's going to give you the skills needed to build a 7-figure high-ticket affiliate marketing business. And again, guys, I've used this same strategy and technique to promote multiple different affiliate products, and I've done well over 7 figures in the process. Now, I hope this video gave you tons of value, and once again, I thank you guys so much for watching till the end. And finally, once again, I want to invite you to the 72-hour infinite passive income quest. That link is going to be down in the YouTube description. I'll see you guys on the inside. Take action today, and as always, you guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.